Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to show you why your headphones may be so quiet. The first and the most important thing is that you need to check the volume level in your device. Try to increase it up to 100% and then check if anything changes. If nothing still changes, try to charge your earbuds, plug them into the power outlet, plug them using the USB Type-C cable, and wait. Don't wait 1 hour, 2 hours. Wait at least 3 hours until you are sure that both earbuds and both the case is charged to the 100%. Sometimes the indicator can be showing you wrong battery percentage. It's a common issue actually, so if this occurs, and after the charge everything should be okay. If it still isn't okay after the charge, there are some few tips I can give you. Connect your headphones to Android phone and set up them with the application called the Galaxy Wearable and perform the factory reset. If you want to have a tutorial for this, we have this video. I recorded it for our channel. There is this video, you can search it out, and everything should be fine after this factory reset. And the last issue that we can cover actually by ourselves, not without going to the authorized service, is that if we have any issues with the player. So try playing the music using other player. For example, if you're using the Spotify, try using YouTube Music, for example, or just YouTube for a moment, just for one song, and check if the volume is nice there. If the volume is nice in the second application, like for example YouTube, something is wrong with your player, just Spotify. So try uninstalling your previous application, the one that you're listening music on, and reinstall this, and everything should be fine. If it doesn't make any difference, the last thing that we can do is to contact the device support to have our earbuds fixed. You won't probably pay for it if you have your earbuds still are on coverage, so don't worry, everything will be sorted out. And that's it for this video. I hope that your earbuds are now working. Let me know in the comment section down below, and that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Goodbye!